Alta Peak Pear Lake backpacking adventure is an easy 4-day trip and perfect for children or beginners. We started at the trailhead in Wolverton and hiked over Panther Gap to Merton Meadow, our campsite for the first 2 nights. The hike is easy, well marked, and 4.1 miles or 6.6 kilometers long, with an elevation gain of 1900 feet or 540 meters. The views from Panther Gap and later from Merton Meadow of the Great Western Divide are spectacular. Merton Meadow provides a nice campsite and also was our base camp for the ascent of Alta Peak on the following day. On the second day, we climbed Alta Peak. The trail is easy and only becomes a little bit faint at the end. We had amazing views of the Great Western Divide on most of our way up and down. And of course, Alta Peak provides a 360-degree viewpoint of all the surrounding mountains. The hike is a popular one, but we saw only a few people and mostly day hikers on our hike during the week. The out and back hike is 5.4 miles or 8.7 kilometers long, with an elevation gain and loss of 2,000 feet or 610 meters. Snowfields on the way up and mostly down provided special entertainment opportunities for young and old.
Okay, this looks better.
On our third day, we hiked from Merton Meadow to Pear Lake. We retraced our steps, and instead of hiking out, we turned right on the easy and well-marked trail to Pear Lake. This is an up and down hike and the longest section of our backpacking trip. The hike is 6.3 miles or 10.1 kilometers long with an elevation gain of 1900 feet or 580 meters and an elevation loss of 1500 feet or 460 meters. The lakes on our way up were quite nice, and Pear Lake provides an alternative view of Alta Peak from the other side compared to the day before. This part of the trip was more popular and we saw a lot more day hikers and backpackers. On our last day, our fourth day, we hiked out from Pear Lake to Wolverton. We mostly retraced our steps on the easy trail and saw quite a number of marmots. The hike out is 5.8 miles or 9.4 kilometers long with an elevation loss of 2,700 feet or 830 meters and a short uphill section of 500 feet or 140 meters. The trail is well marked and easy to follow. Due to the relative low elevation, we encountered in early summer only a few snowfields on our way up to Alta Peak, but this is of course dependent on the overall snowfall in the previous winter and the spring.
Ja, sind schon Berge. Aston Lake and Alta Peak and Papa and Tristan and my silly Lena Lee.